This place holds the record for being the windiest on Earth, where winds rage stronger than a hurricane. Cape Denison, Antarctica has the strongest surface winds on land. Winds here often reach 240 km per hour, but the highest recorded gust was 320 km per hour, stronger than a Category 5 hurricane. It's all because of katabatic winds. Freezing air from the Antarctic ice sheets rushes downhill like an unstoppable force. These winds are so strong that early explorers had to crawl on the ground to avoid being blown away. Nothing survives here, no plants, no permanent human settlements. In 1912, the Australasian Antarctic expedition built huts here, but they were buried under ice and snow within a few years. Follow Earth Chronicles for more mind-blowing places.